Hello students, hope you all are doing good and having good time. Welcome back to my channel Basic Learning with SS. Today in this video we are going to discuss another punctuation mark, that is exclamation mark. Let's discuss what does it mean. The exclamation mark is a punctuation mark used to express strong emotions, excitement, urgency, or emphasis. Here are some key rules and examples of when and how to use it. Number 1. Expressing strong emotions. We use it to show excitement, surprise, anger, joy, or urgency. For example, wow! Exclamation mark. That's unbelievable. I can't believe you did that. Help, I am stuck. In these sentences, we use exclamation mark because strong emotions are expressed. Come to the next use of it. Giving commands or warnings. We use it when we need to add urgency or emphasis to instructions. For example, stop, watch out for the fire, run as fast as you can. Come to the next use of it. We use it to denote enthusiastic greetings or wishes. To make greetings sound friendly and warm, we can use this exclamation mark. For example, happy birthday, good morning everyone, congratulations on your success. Here's another use of it. We use it for onomatopoeia. It means sounds effects. When we need to imitate sounds, we use it. Boom, ouch, bang. Here's a quiz at the end. Please do it for a better understanding and do comment your answer in comment section. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming videos.